Hey guys, welcome back to FeFe's. Guess what I got for you guys today? It is a cooking video. Someone suggested I cook it so that they can learn how to cook. This is the first time I'm actually cooking this dish. It's going to be a seafood cheesesteak. So let's get into it without further ado. Put some butter. As you guys know, you just cook the taste. Let me show you what I have. I've got some shrimp, tilapia, broccoli, yellow, red, and green bell pepper, red onion, garlic, and that's it. So. I like lots of butter, y'all. It's probably gonna be a long video, but we're gonna try this out, yeah. Okay. What I'm gonna do is just saute the vegetables. Just like so, butter, you guys. That's all I'm doing. Alright. Yeah. Garlic in there. Just mess up garlic, you guys. Need more butter. And if you don't like to use butter, you can always use olive oil, whatever you want. So basically, I just cut up the vegetables that I wanted in on my cheesesteak. Ooh, gotta see that. I got it on 300. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let those saute down. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's go ahead and put our meat on here. I got the tilapia. Some shrimp. And some garlic powder. and some lemon pepper. That's it. Just gonna flip my veggies over, you guys. Put the lemon pepper to my veggies, y'all. And onion powder. Just a taste. That's what you like to do. If you don't like to do it, I wouldn't suggest you do it. These are cooking down nicely. So if you do try this recipe, let me know. The videos that I saw, they used salmon, but I didn't want to defrost my salmon, so I just bought some tilapia on my way home from work. But I think the next time I do, I will do it with salmon. Ooh. It's still frozen, y'all. Alright, well, I'm waiting for that to finish getting to recipe. I'm going to bread my butter, and then I'll come back before I put it on top of here to brown, okay? I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. My tilapia is now cooked. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these two things together. My vegetables and my tilapia, and then put my bread down. You know, I think this is actually enough to feed 2 people. Okay. I'm just mixing them together. Ooh, my veggies are nice and charred. Good. Good, 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 good. Okay. I'm separating because it's so much. I need to make 2 of them. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Okay, I gotta get me a spatula, you guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I got my spatula. So let's see what our bread looking like. Ooh, nice and toasty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that on top. It's gonna be my bottom.